question and won't have any more follow-up questions. Kung sa Monday wala pang TRO ang Supreme Court, dahil in-apply nyo is a injunction, right, with TRO. Kung wala pang TRO sa Monday, and all lawyers will tell you, pag wala kang TRO, you're forced to comply with the court. Kung wala kayong TRO by Monday, will you comply and bring the documents and testify on it?
Your Honor, it is my belief that the FCDU law will be violated, and I will be.
So therefore, will you, if you do not have a TRO on Monday,
now
will you or will
request
not?
the gentleman to please finish his...
Mr. President, can I just get the answer from here, then I'm finished?
Yes, please.
So if you do not have a TRO on Monday, that is your interpretation that it will be violated. Therefore, you went to the Supreme Court, asked for an injunction and a TRO. If you do not have a TRO by Monday, will you comply with this, the order of this court or not?
My answer, Your Honor, is this. This is the law. My appreciation actually is that if there are any exceptions to it, the Supreme Court actually will rule.
Sir President, can I ask for a yes or no answer, please?
Just answer the question, yes or no.
The question actually is
If
that
you do not have a TRO, will you, by Monday, will you bring the documents and testify on it, yes or no?
if the Supreme Court decides, Your Honor,
No,
that
if there is no TRO, of course, if there is a TRO, that's a different matter. If the Supreme Court does not grant a temporary restraining order, will you testify on it, and will you bring the documents?
Your Honor, with all due respect to this court, I will not testify because I believe I will be breaking the law.
So I already answered, okay.
Senator Paglilitis.
The gentleman from Pampanga.
Yes. Well, just a quick response that I'd like to place on record that as far as the impeachment court is concerned, we do not issue illegal orders, for the record, Mr. President. And having said that, Mr. Witness, the only exception to the Foreign Currency Deposit Act is if the depositor consents. And therefore, if a written authorization from the Chief Justice is given to you, then you will willingly submit these documents of the dollar accounts to this court. Your
Honor, with all due respect, I will not comment on and respond to any inquiry on any dollar account.
Okay, on a hypothetical question, if a depositor sends you a letter authorizing you to reveal a dollar deposit account, you will therefore you will no longer be in violation of the law.
If a depositor gives us
Consent.
authorization and
Yes.
his consent,
Yes.
we will disclose.
Yes, okay. Well, having said that, may we get a response from the defense?
Is that addressed to me? I'm sorry.
Yes, to the defense. Because you filed a petition before the Supreme Court questioning the proceedings, do we take this to mean that if this impeachment court requests the Chief Justice through counsel to give his consent, that the Chief Justice through counsel will refuse? Because you already filed a petition before the court.
I'll have to consult him and discuss this matter very legally, Your Honor, please.
Well, in that case, hopefully, well, perhaps the chair may persuade counsel.
Because your referral to the petition and the petition itself, if Your Honor, please, is not merely centered on these bank deposits and so on. We have alleged various grounds, Your Honor.
Yes,
For instance, the violation of the right of the petitioner to due process, since the impeachment complaint was immediately directed to this court without any notice nor hearing.
Yes, we read the...
There are other grounds, Your Honor.
With respect to our justice, we went through the pleadings.
Yes, Your Honor.
But I just wanted to focus on this particular issue.
Yeah.
Because ultimately, if a depositor consents that the records of his dollar deposits be accessed, then there won't be any legal confrontation. But that's why I'm asking the question, will the Chief Justice refuse if this impeachment court requests for a consent or to secure his consent?
First, I do not think that this impeachment court will go that far. But even assuming it does, Your Honor, I am inclined to believe that the Chief Justice may not give his consent because he's questioning the validity of all these proceedings.
Precisely, and that's why I premise my question that considering there is now a petition before the Supreme Court questioning the proceedings, then a request by this impeachment court for the dollar accounts and him consenting to allowing these accounts to be turned over or the documents will be refused. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you also.
Thank you.
Mr. President, Senator Estrada and then Senator Pia Cayetano, Mr. President.
Senator Estrada is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Just for the record, isa ako sa mga senador na sumuporta sa desisyon ng ating Pangulo ng Senado para buksan ang bank accounts ni Chief Justice Corona. Ngunit ako po'y nababahala sapagkat ang tanging basihan lang ng prosecution panel ay isang dokumento na inattach nila sa motion for subpoena na nanggaling po sa PS Bank bago po mag-issue ang korteng ito ng subpoena. Ngayon, I would like to invite the attention of the President of the PS Bank. In Republic Act number 1405, Section 3, if you're aware, it shall be unlawful for any official or employee of a banking institution to disclose to any person other than those mentioned in Section 2 hereof any information concerning said deposits. Nung kayo po'y pumunta rito, alam nyo ba na meron pong naka-attach na papel na allegedly galing daw sa PS Bank o sa isang maliit na babae, sabi nga ni Congressman Umali, aware ba kayo na naka-attach itong papel doon sa subpoena?
Let the witness. Wait a minute, counsel.
You may ask permission.
Let the witness seek your counsel, address the chair, and ask permission to consult you if he wishes to consult.
Your Honor, may I consult because I cannot recall.
You may.
This was not included, Your Honor, but I just want to clarify.
This was included in the request for subpoena to the by the prosecution.
We do not know that, Your Honor.
All right.
Just a minute, Mr. Witness. Do you accept that material referred to comes from your bank?
We have not seen it, Your Honor, and we do believe that does not come from our bank, if ever there was anything.
Are you suggesting to this court that that is a fake document, or is it a genuine document?
We cannot say, Your Honor, because we have not seen it.
Mr. President, can I show you this? Can I show him this particular document?
Yeah, you may.
Your Honor, can I respond, sir?
Yes, please tell us whether that document that was shown to you by the gentleman from San Juan, the President pro tempore of the Senate, Senator Jingo Estrada, is a document from your bank.
Your Honor, this is a photocopy.
A photocopy.
Photocopy. It's not a original document.
Are your bank records open to the public for photocopying?
No, Your Honor.
And so it could be that that document comes from your bank.
I would have to compare it with the original document. I have seen the original document here, and I note, at least just offhand, there seems to be some differences.
Are you competent to testify regarding the forms that are used by your bank, your branches?
Your Honor, may I consult our counsel?
You may.